Vivo has quietly expanded its Y series lineup by launching the Vivo Y37 Plus in China. Let's take a closer look at its specifications and pricing. The Vivo Y37 Plus features a 6.74-inch LCD flat display with a 1600 by 720 resolution, 1000 nits brightness, and eye protection. It supports a 90 Hz refresh rate, 180 Hz touch sampling rate, 70% NTSC color gamut, and a 1500:1 contrast ratio. Under the hood, the device features the MediaTek Dimensity 6300, a 6nm octa-core processor with two 2.4 GHz performance cores, 6 2.0 GHz efficiency cores, and a Mali G57 GPU. It comes with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with support for an additional 8 GB of virtual RAM through the Memory Fusion feature. The smartphone runs on Origin OS 5, based on Android 15, offering the latest features, improved security, a user-friendly interface, and intelligent anti-fraud protection for enhanced safety. The Vivo Y37 Plus boasts a single 13MP rear camera with autofocus and an f/2.2 aperture. It supports modes such as night, portrait, panorama, and pro mode, making it versatile for casual photography. The rear camera supports up to 10x digital zoom, while video recording is capped at 1080p resolution. On the front, there's a 5MP fixed focus camera for selfies and video calls, also capable of recording 1080p videos. The device features a massive 6000 mAh battery with a lifespan of up to 5 years, supports 44W fast charging, and offers reverse charging, OTG, to power other devices. In terms of other specs, the Vivo Y37 Plus supports dual nano SIM with 5G, NFC, infrared remote control, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, along with SGS-certified drop resistance. The Vivo Y37 Plus is priced at 1,599 yuan, $230, for the 8GB plus 256GB variant. It is available in 3 elegant color options: Obsidian Black, Glaze Blue, and Sunrise Gold. The device is now listed on Vivo's official website, with sales expected to start soon.